So the next step is to get your authorization from the FAA. And that means if you're going there for experience, meaning you didn't go to college, you didn't go through the DOD to get your certificates, to get your authorizations. Most people go get their authorization from the FAA via experience. So step two, you'll be calling the FAA office and ask and requesting for a FAA Form 8610-2, aka tickets. So there's, the technical name, and then there's the slang name to it. So the office you'll be calling is actually called the Flight Standard District Office, and ask for those forms. And you're wondering, well, how do I know where to go? So there's a handy dandy tool called Google, and as you can see, I already called a few people. And I just do FSDO locator. Usually that's the first one on my list, at least. And once it comes up, but yeah, these are the guys who, it's kind of like your QC QA office. It's a building full of inspectors, and they will be doing the interview. Just to make sure that what you're saying is true. They want to see experience records, and they're going to quiz you on your experience. Hey, what do you know about the multimeter? What do you know about changing tires? What do you know about reciprocating engines and stuff like that? So that's kind of some of the questions they're going to ask you. So let's say I live in Arizona, and this is the only office. Like California, they have a long list. So here's a few offices. Yep, that's it. Few offices. You just like the one that's the nearest to you. So there's, Riverside, Long Beach, LA, Oakland, Van Nuys, San Jose. There's a few of them. So find the one that's closest to you, or the one you can go to, and they should be able to help you. If you're in the military, then, and let's say you're in Korea, you can contact your home of record office. So let's say you're from let's say Texas, like I am. There's a few offices there. Give them a call. Hey, I'm originally from Texas, and you can give them a call. Now, what if the guys are local to you? Let's say you're stationed at Fort Hood, but you're from West Virginia. So you'll go to West Virginia and just ask for, if that's where you're from, that's your home of record. That's an option. Some people will say that's shopping around, but if they're being douchebags where you live, then, or where you currently live, but your home of record is here, what's to say they can't help you? And a lot of times they do. Not 100%, but many times they do. So that's a little tidbit there.